The next feature we're going to talk about is going to be the Salesforce Dynamic Picklists. And those are multiple choice questions that get their list of choices directly from Salesforce. Values are populated from Salesforce, directly from Salesforce. So when you have that form load, those choices in the pick list always stay current without having to refresh the schema, meaning you can just have those choices updated, do whatever you need to do in Salesforce, and you don't have to worry about going back to your FormAssembly form and editing those. Those are automatically updated for you, which is really great, really convenient, so you don't have to worry about updating things in multiple locations. And let's go back to my FormAssembly account, and we can take a quick look at some dynamic pick lists in action. So I've got this account review form for sales representatives where they can select their region, select their name from the list, and then also select the accounts that they use. And with all of this, I can easily pre-fill all of that information in. I can customize what is pre-filled in, all with using those dynamic pick lists. And if we come over here to the form builder, I can take a closer look and see that all three of those fields are dynamic pick lists. The region field is just like a Salesforce pick list field. It's pulling that region directly from the sales rep object. I don't have to worry about anything there. It's really quick and easy. If I add new regions, that pick list will update. Now with the sales representative and accounts dynamic pick list, these are actually basic lookup fields. So they're looking directly at the records for my sales representatives and accounts. So if I add a new sales rep, it adds it to this. If I add a new account, it adds it to this. And let's look closer at the accounts here, because this is where the setup really shines. I can return all sorts of fields from that account object into my form, so I can really get all the information I need from Salesforce here in the form so that sales reps can edit it, they can submit new orders, they can do whatever they need to do and see all that information without going to Salesforce. They can also set a condition. So with this condition, I have it looking at that sales representative dynamic pick list field. And with that, it then limits the accounts returned to just where those accounts where the sales rep is listed. So the sales rep's not seeing every single account. Now, you may be kind of concerned about who might be able to access this form. There might be some private information on it or information that you want to just keep to your employees. Don't worry, you can easily set up form authentication for a form like this, so you can limit access to the form to just your employees. A great way to further take advantage of our Salesforce features would be to use Salesforce authentication on this form, and then go ahead and embed that form on a Salesforce experience page.